Poop. Poopy. Pee-pee. Did that even wake you up out of a dead sleep? Poop. One more time. Even less when he's sleeping. Poop. I love you. Can you tell Mama you love me? Are you picking your nose in your sleep? You are the sickest baby ever. Yuck. Poop. Pee-pee. And nose picking. Sexy. What if I said boob? Poop? Okay, look at McCarty in your chair. Look at how messy.